My name is Queen Munini. I'm the Operations Manager at Moyo Cleaning and Fumigation Services. What we offer at Moyo Cleaning and Fumigation Services, we do cleaning services for companies. We do pest control for both households and also for commercial spaces. We also do sanitary services to commercial spaces also. Before we used to hire people to do for us marketing and sales, and we found out that sometimes that one can be very tricky. So during that time, I realized that more businesses are growing through social media. But I didn't know how to do the ads, how to target clients, how to make our business grow through social media. So we approached MediaCrest Training College. So through there, they were able to inform us that there are some courses that they normally offer for people to get the necessary knowledge to run the Google ads, the Facebook ads, Instagram, TikTok, all that. So I enrolled. When I enrolled, I gained the necessary, I got the training, and I learned on how to run the Google ads, how to get clients, how to reach out to more people on Facebook, Instagram, how to target correctly, to get the people that will enable you to grow your business. If I compare the results that I'm now getting from my business before I enrolled to MediaCrest and now after, the sales have increased. We are getting more clients on social media, on Facebook, on Google. We have also put up our website using the knowledge that I was taught at MediaCrest Training College. And at the end of each course, what's more amazing is that they give you a certificate. So that certificate, you are able to use it maybe if you want to expand your career. They have the best tutors that have enabled us, have worked with us through the process on learning on how to run the Google ads, how to do website optimization and all that. So I'm really looking forward to the knowledge that I've gained from MediaCrest Training College in growing our business. I highly recommend MediaCrest Training College as your preferred choice. They have flexible classes whereby during daytime you can do your work, then in the evening you do online classes. MediaCrest Training College, empowering growth and shaping futures.